Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have a very short push and pull grain hopper train. Let's check it out. I should have got the light powered train for that grain hopper, but we weren't sure if it's going to be the OC&T run, but it shouldn't be. Keep the cameras rolling until there's a... Yeah, this is a push and pull roll. Yeah, this is push and pull. Yes, push and pull. Really short grain train right there with the engine in the middle. Yep, there's the end, there's the last hopper on the end, and it's kind of shit. It is a short one, yeah. There you go. Excuse me. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. That'll be that very short grain hopper train heading to the WLs. Talk to you later. Or to the Oil Creek Plastics. Talk to you later.